Oludoro's microbiology department. I would like to first of all introduce my team. They are basically my PhD students, doctoral students, all of them, except Mr. Fumilayo, that is a master student. He's almost rounding up, on his master's degree program thesis. But all those ones they're on their PhD program for doctoral PhD award.
They look like undergraduates. I thought they were undergraduates.
So I'd like to start by introducing them to you before I introduce Nim and my other associates, Mr. Emmanuel Omoge, to you. So I would like to start with, I'll have your seats, please. I would like to start with Mrs. Aladejan Antoyi. She's a PhD student here. She's a lecturer at a university, King's University here in Osun State. There is another university, private university in Osun State. So she's a lecturer there. So yeah. Then next to her we have Ms. Damilola Gulusi. I supervised his MSc thesis, and she has enrolled for PhD now.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Then we have next to her is Ms. Busayo Adegun. Also, I supervised her MSc thesis. Now she has enrolled for her PhD program too. So next to her, you have Mr. Covenant Fumilayo. Mr. Covenant Fumilayo is the only master's student I'm having now, and he's almost rounding, off his program. Next to him is Ms. Bukola, and then Ms. Bukola also has enrolled for their PhD program.
Wow.
And before, I have more than 13 postgraduate students. You can see some of their forms now they've defended, and they are about leaving the department in my laboratory. So I have basically 6 of them now on grant. I left with one she couldn't make it, Miss Ariola Harriet. She's a PhD student under my supervision. So she's unavoidably absent because I did not inform her on time, so she couldn't make it today. Now, having done that, this is how will I put it? The leader of the team.
Whoa.
And he has just defended his PhD. He's a lecturer. He's now Dr. Dari Oshuntoku. He's a lecturer in one of the state universities in Nigeria. And he has just defended his PhD thesis. Now he's now a doctor, but he's still my student. He's part of our research team. Yeah. So having done that, I would like to introduce my visitors now. I would like to start with Lynn. Lynn, she's from California, the United States of America, and she's the directress of the Blue Gold Works. So it's more like a company, and she's the overall director there. And then our mission here is just to collaborate with me to see if I can be as a chief scientist, because she's proposing to go into water entrepreneur program, and using Moringa for water purification, which I did for my first degree and third degree PhD. And then she came across this book in the United States of America, and then she perused, and then she found out that she could work with me if we can come in as the chief scientist. Our mission is just to go into global commercialization of Moringa treated water. We want to provide safe water for everybody. We are projecting, we are projecting in another few years that safe water supply, can be available all over the world using Moringa seed. And that is our mission here. And then we've been on it, we'll be, the converting, the blogging on internet, via email. But seeing is believing. So she's here now, so that we can know and talk one-on-one. You understand? And it's not only at that, it doesn't stop at that. We want to use this our team also to see if we can formulate Moringa, using Moringa seed as a mosquito repellent. And then again using Moringa seed products, as treatment of water sewage from where generating wet from waste. Do you understand?
Yes.
So that's all. So Ms. Ni, once again you are welcome. And I also now want to introduce the associates. Another associate, Mr. Emmanuel Omije. Mr. Emmanuel Omije is from Australia. He's a diplomat in Australia. So, and it also came for this purpose. Then the third person, unfortunately, as they were coming into the department, vehicle that conveyed them had minor faults. So he couldn't join them here now, but he's outside there. So Mr. Omide also is also in collaboration with me and working together with me so that we can achieve our goal, which I believe by God's grace is going to be possible.
Amen.
So once again, you are welcome, Ms. Lynn. And